Hello everyone, Crypto Halloween followers, welcome back to our channel in a new video. So today MEXC, our partner, have released a new event including the launch of the platform of DEX Plus. So before we dive into this video, I would like to ask you to follow our channel, like to this video, and especially a comment to see if you like our videos and to create more content about that. So see you in the next part of this video. So this is the MEXC DEX Plus platform, a decentralized exchange DEX aggregation platform that integrates multiple DEXs to offer users the best trading routes, minimizing slippage and optimize trading costs. And as MEXC trading solution, DEX Plus support trading for over 10,000 on-chain assets, ensuring users always receive the best price and enjoy a seamless DEX trading experience. So what is the best thing that I love about MEXC DEX Plus? So first of all, effortless trading, 10,000 plus on-chain assets and lower slippage, and especially constantly evolving with us. This is the main platform or the homepage, and you can see the trading here of the tokens, and you can divide them by pump, fun, or by favorite if you have already checked the favorite icon. But for now, to benefit from this, you must to get an account in MEXC account. How to do that? So I have already been connected to my account, but I will disconnect now for you. So to connect is very easy. You must to click login, and after that you can log into your account, or you can sign up and earn your gift here. But for now I will log in another time, so I will enter just my information. After that they will ask you about the code of authenticator, so I will go to my app authenticator in my phone, and after that I will check my code. For my code is 334503, and I will confirm it like that. And as you see now, I am connected successfully. So it's very easy to connect to the DEX Plus. So how to deposit in the DEX Plus to, for example, to trade in any token? It's very easy. As you see here, assets. So you must click assets. You will go to the assets page, and you must click receive. So as you see here, there is just the Solana network, so Solana, Crypto, Sol, and enter your amount of the trading here, so to fund your account. For the funding history, you can find it also here. So because my account is new, there is no funding history. This is all for archive. So now let's trade in this platform. I will use the trending one, for example this one, and as you see, this is how it looks like. Here you will find all options including buy and sell, quantity, last price, the amount of trade. In the sell also the same thing. Also there is the option of limit price, so if you would like to limit price by percentage, market, or the price. So all that you can find it here in this section. Also you can find here the chart of this token, including the latest trades here, how many holders. So all that, it's live one by one. You can also vote for your preferred token here. You must just to click here. And you can also track the smart wallet money on DEX Plus, which can easily get close to 100x token price increase from here. So that's it for the DEX Plus platform. That's new, so you must too. So I wish you will benefit from these features. So the second part of this video will be about the event of DEX Plus. It's an airdrop reward event, and as you see, trading event, trade 100 USDT and get 20 USDT bonus. And this event will end in 19 days. You can register now, or you can explore by DEX Plus. So you have already an account, so it's already registered. But also to share 100,000 USDT in features bonuses, you must sign up for MEXC account, visit the MEXC DEX Plus page and activate your DEX wallet. Maintain at least 100 USDT equivalent in net deposits. Also, you must transfer or trade at least $100 worth of token via DEX Plus. You will receive your bonus of 20 USDT in features bonuses. Also, you can earn from inviting friends and share equivalent of 50,000 USDT in features bonuses. You can invite from here, and this is the terms of invitation. For each eligible referee, you will receive $20 up to 400 USDT. It's like 20 people eligible. You can benefit from that just by invitation. You find here also the term and condition to be eligible for this event, to guarantee your earns. Okay, so that's it for our video of today. Thank you very much for your trust and see you in the next video.